Greetings. In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Nintendo Switch not connecting to a Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter what model Switch you have, if you have a Lite or one of the newer models, I'm going to help you get connected to the Wi-Fi. So the first one is just obvious. Make sure you restart your Switch. A lot of times if you're using it for days, you're not giving it a rest, you want to restart it. That will change everything back up to where you're able to get connected to the Wi-Fi. So make sure you restart it, and of course you just hold down the power button, click restart, and then you should be good. Next thing I want you to do is troubleshoot your Wi-Fi router. So you want to take your Switch as close to the router as possible, see if you're able to get connected, and then test other devices on that router, on that Wi-Fi router. Test a desktop, test a laptop, a smartphone. If those aren't connecting either, then it's not an issue with your Switch, it's just an issue with the router. If that's the case, I want you to hard reset the router. There's a reset button usually on the router, or you can just unplug the router from the wall and give it a good 5 to 10 minutes, and then see if that will fix your problem. Next, after you've tried all that, take the Switch to another modem if you have access to another one. It could be to another home, or to a tethering on a smartphone, and seeing if it's connecting with another device, another modem or another Wi-Fi. If so, then there's just a relationship between your Switch and your modem. So what you could do is unplug some of the devices that's in your home, because the Wi-Fi network may be overwhelmed. So take other things, like if someone's watching Netflix in another room, mitigate all that, take all the devices off, and then see if that's the issue. If so, then there's just not enough broadband in the air in order to get you connected, and that's the issue. Okay, next, after you've tried all that, what I want you to do is to do a system update on your Switch. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Start, or to Settings rather. When you go to Settings, what I want you to do is go to System. We'll go to System. And then I want you to choose System Update. Do a System Update, restart, and then see if that will work and fix your problems. Next, I want you to clear out all your cache. And what the cache is, it's like memory. It's holding stuff in temporary. So in order to do that, go back to Home. Go to Settings. Go back to System. Go to System. And then go all the way down to where you go to Formatting Options. And then I want you to reset cache. And then confirm. And then after you reset the cache, restart your Switch. And then tell me if that will fix the problem. Next, I want you to go inside to your Wi-Fi network on your Switch. Go to Home. Go to Settings again. Go all the way to Internet. And just temporarily test the connection. Just click Test Connection, and then see if that will work, if there's any issues that pop up. Next thing I want you to do is go into Internet Settings. And so what I want you to do, right now it's showing that I'm reading on a network. What I want you to do is click on your network, and then click Connect again. What you can do after that is clear settings. So basically you're forgetting your network. And then you're going to go back into your network, select it again, and retype your password. It's possible you had someone in the home that changed the password on your Wi-Fi router. Ask them and to confirm. And a lot of times the password will be on the router itself. So just take the router, look on the bottom of it, and it'll have the password, and retype in that password that's on the router. A lot of times it's really long. It's like a lot of letters and numbers and stuff like that. Next thing I want you to do is take your joysticks off if it's not a Lite, or if it has joysticks. Take these completely off, and I want you to power it all the way down. Don't restart it. Shut it all the way down. Plug it into the wall. Make sure it's charged to a good 100%. Maybe even give it like 3 to 4 hours. Turn it back on, and then see if that will fix the issue. If not, what I want you to do is I want you to do a hard reset. So actually, I want you to do a soft reset, then a hard reset. To do a soft reset, only thing you do is just hold down the power button while it's on for 12 seconds. And when it powers off, keep holding it for 12 seconds, release, power it back on, see if that will solve your issues. Now, after you did that, you're going to do a hard reset. And what that's going to do, it's going to wipe out every memory, all the user stuff on your switch. It's going to basically put it like it was back when you purchased it out of the box. And then what you want to do is set up everything again and see if that will connect to your Wi-Fi. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is go back to Home, go back to Settings, and remember, if you don't own this switch, then ask the person that owns it what you're going to do, that you're going to put it back to factory state. And so what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go back to System. I'm going to go to System. And then I'm going to go all the way down here. And then I want to click Formatting Options. And I want to scroll all the way down. The very last one, it's called Initialize Console. And if you keep pushing that to confirm, that's going to restart it back to factory settings. And that may fix your issue. I hope it does. If it's still on warranty, contact Nintendo and see if they can get it fixed. All right, thanks for watching.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.